this is our hot water heat pump. This is basically an air conditioner which heats the tank. And also we have a timer, so there's 4 different ways you can kind of heat the tank at different times. You could do it overnight, or we actually have ours going on between 10 a.m. and 2 p.m, but actually it's usually finished by 11:30 a.m. And when it's on, this is just silent. You can't even hear it. So, and if you ran out of hot water, you could come out here and press the booster button and you've got a hot tank again in 20 minutes. So we power ours via solar. Our bills a year ago, this is before rates went up, in summer were $100 a month, and now they're $35, roughly $35 a month.